K. Austin and Associates takes great pride in being recognized as a top construction company in Humboldt, Texas for commercial storm damage repair. Our company has decades of experience and strong relationships to the Humboldt, Texas region. We are known for our prompt, dependable, and high-quality restoration services for commercial properties that have been damaged by severe weather. Are you looking for a construction company near me? You can stop looking. You found K. Austin and Associates. What is commercial storm damage repair? When devastating natural disasters like hurricanes, hail, high winds, or floods inflict damage to business facilities, the next step is to repair the damage. Humboldt, Texas business owners, managers, and developers may rely on K. Austin and Associates for thorough commercial storm damage repair services. Repairing or replacing damaged roofing, siding, masonry, flooring, and concrete surfaces is part of our process, which also involves securing the site and assessing the damage. What types of storm damage do you repair? Commercial properties can rely on K. Austin and Associates to fix a variety of storm-related damages. Our business storm damage restoration services address a wide range of issues, including wind, hail, flooding, fallen debris, structural impact, and more. We fix flooring problems, roof leaks, siding damage, cracked windows, compromised brickwork, water damage to the interior, and roof failures. What is your service area? Our K. Austin and Associates serve the following Texas locations: New Caney, Spring, The Woodlands, Tomball, Pinehurst, Dayton, Liberty, Houston, Pasadena, La Porte, Baytown, Jersey Village, Dyersdale, Crosby, Westfield, Aldine, Humboldt, Texas. Where is your K. Austin and Associates office located? We are located at 302 East Main Street, Humboldt, Texas 77338, United States. Our phone number is 281-540-5401. Visit our website, https://www.kaustin.com/.